Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab, if you're new. Today in the lab, I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this super cute, like pink, subtle look that you can certainly wear for the holidays as well. You don't have to necessarily do like reds, golds, greens, whites, silvers, or anything like that. You can do a purple or pink look for the holidays as well. Maybe not these earrings, but I just wanted to put these on for you guys. So anywho, if you want to see how I got this look, these are some products that I recently talked about in my Ulta haul, so definitely check that video out up here in the cards, and some products that I just slid in there from Marshalls as well. So if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up for more makeup tutorials and hauls. And yeah, stay tuned so you can see how I got this look. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing some testings of some of these new products I got my hands on. Some of them are old as far as my drugstore. I was trying to make this full face of drugstore stuff, but I threw away my old bronzer that I had from Colourpop. I threw away my moisturizer, so I don't have that or a primer. So comment down below a good drugstore primer I should try, and you know, I'm just gonna go ahead and use the Mario Badescu skincare facial spray. Don't follow this step. I do not have a drugstore primer, so I'm just gonna use this. It is a crime to not prime, as my girl Nitra B would say. So I'm just gonna make sure. And I actually cheated by using the Clinique Moisture Surge as my moisturizer, because like I said, I don't have any moisturizer, and I just cleaned my face and I just did this brow tutorial. So if you haven't seen that video, check that video out. It'll pop up on the screen, but watch this one first and then check that out, or check that one out, whichever floats your boat. So now I'm gonna go in with some foundation. I'm gonna do foundation first because the eye is gonna be super quick with all the new products I've been getting through Colourpop from Ulta lately. So if you haven't seen my Ulta makeup hauls and my most recent hauls, definitely check those videos out as well. I did go to Marshalls and TJ Maxx a lot lately for the holidays or whatever, and I found this Revlon 4-in-1 blending sponge. Comes with a case, which is really cool. 4-in-1 blending sponge for $3.99, and it looks like this. Similar to my Morphe one, just has more angles of carving out, but I was super excited to see this in Marshalls, so I'm excited. So I already wet it, which is why it's this big. It was actually smaller than this, but I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline. This is something I already had, my Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Smooth Foundation, and I am in the shade 240 Golden Beige. It should be down in the description box below. I have all of my foundation shades that I love, all my like favorite foundations that I love down there with the shades, or even some most recent ones that I use for reference. So yes, it is now Vlogmas, you guys, and I have been trying to do this every year, but it's okay. You know, I'm gonna just challenge myself to just be more consistent with putting as many videos as I can out in a week, because this is not my full-time job, so I cannot like do too much, but I will do my best to put as many videos as I can. But I asked you guys in the community tab if some of you wanted to see foundation reviews. Like, I have a lot of foundations that I never even posted on my channel or anything like that. Maybe I should use the bigger side, but that side is for, let me go with this side. I feel like that side is for the face, for the under eye. But yeah, I have a lot of foundations that I haven't even tried on my channel, and I would love to share those with you guys, and then we can figure out what foundations are bomb together. So definitely let me know if you're interested in seeing some foundation reviews. This is a time of year where some people go crazy, some people just be on chill mode, but it's really a time of year of thanks, a time of year of family. And so that's why it's so exciting to me when it comes around. Comment down below, what's your favorite holiday? Mine is Christmas. Not because of the gifts, but because of the carols, the meaning behind Christmas. The Christmas carols, the decorations, and I just love the whole like vibe, and like it's winter and I'm thinking about snow and stuff like that. So comment down below what your favorite holiday is. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed your Thanksgiving. Comment down below what you did for Thanksgiving. I just hung out with family. I'm gonna do one more layer because I want to go for like a slight beat. But I just hung out with family, played games. It was so awesome to just be around family. It's definitely always something that everyone needs. And if you don't have family, girl, we are family right here. Alright, so that is the foundation. I'm now going to go in with a new concealer I'm so excited about. So I mentioned this in my most recent Ulta haul. This is the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer, and I have it in the shade Magic Concealer number 15. I'm not sure about this Revlon sponge. Like, I use this bottom part to put my whole foundation. It just felt like I was doing this forever. My arm is actually tired. But I'm going to see what this side is going to do once I put the concealer on. Now, I've seen so many people use this concealer. Like I told you in the haul, watch the haul. But the applicator does look like the Tarte Shape Tape. It's definitely looking hydrating so far. And I like this undertone so far, so hopefully it finishes off well. It doesn't smell bad or anything. So I'm going to use this side to blend this out. I like that the point part gets directly under there so far, but I don't know, I feel like this sponge is not really doing much. Like, I feel like I have to do too much to use it. Now, onto this Juvia's Place concealer. So I feel like it's not giving me like too much coverage under the eye, but I don't want to put too much because then it's going to start looking cakey. So I'm just going to add just a little bit right here. And I probably could go up a shade and get like a lighter shade just for highlighting purposes, but the powder that I'm going to use is going to brighten this up. But my skin is looking really nice, although I have a small breakout here, which is why I cannot wait to do a mask. But so far, the combination is fine with the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy foundation and then the Juvia's Place concealer. So now we're going to set our face, and I'm going to just make sure I have no creases. And I'm going to actually use the other side of this sponge since it's like a point. You guys, if you've been following my channel, then you know that I used to use this all the time. This is the Airspun Naturally Neutral setting powder, and I love this stuff. It's super affordable. It's at Walmart. It is the best drugstore powder that I've come across. But comment below some that you may tell me I need to try. On to bronzing. I do not have a drugstore bronzer, so let me know what bronzer I should use. I'm just going to go ahead and do my Hoola bronzer, and I'm going to skip past this part because it's not a drugstore product. Alright, so I skipped past the bronzer and blush because I do not have drugstore bronzer and blush. So now I'm going to go in with a new Colourpop Super Shock shadow that I picked up. You guys, I've been going to Ulta and just going crazy with these Super Shock shadows. So this is a new one. This one is called Buzzin', and it looks like this. Looks like this really simple, like everyday one. And I'm just going to use my finger as I normally do with these and place this on my lid. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm too hyped. I'm too hyped. I don't even have, let me just move my mirror closer. So it's like this matte, like blush pink color with some gold reflex in here. It's really pretty. Because this is not drugstore, I'm just going to share it with you guys. But this is what I do with a lot of these one-tone type colors to put some type of transition in my crease so it won't look too crazy. I'm going in with the MAC eyeshadow in the shade Saddle, and I'm just going to buff that right in the crease. It just completes the look. Alright, so on to some lashes. I found these at Marshalls as well. These are the Pro Beauty Essentials Faux Mink lashes, and I usually get these original like wispy ones, but these were some pretty like dramatic ones that I've never tried, so I'm going to put a pair of these on. I'm gonna pop these on. All right, so lashes are on. They're still kind of drying, but I'm gonna go ahead and move on to this highlighter. I'm so excited to try this. This is the e.l.f. Metallic Flare Highlighter in Bronze Gold, and it looks like this. I got this from Marshalls as well. I should probably do a Marshalls or TJ Maxx makeup haul. I always find some good gems. Let me know if you shop at those places to get some makeup. They have some good deals there. This was $2.99, and it has not been tampered with, and it looks like this. I have never tried this before by e.l.f., and I know e.l.f. has come a long way with changing some of their products, so that is really exciting. So it is like, so it looks like that. It's really, really subtle. So this is one of those highlighters where you'll probably have to like wet your brush and like really build it up like I'm doing right now. But it is really nice. Yep, bronze gold. So it's really nice gold, champagne type of color. It's really reminding me of my Bobbi Brown bronze glow. Oh, this is probably a dupe for that, honestly. Like, it's really giving me the same vibes. My Bobbi Brown bronze glow. I may have to see if that's a dupe. So yes to these lashes. These lashes were super easy to put on. They are the wispy style, just like a more dramatic wispy. And they are some faux mink lashes. So I would try to find those at your local Marshalls. They were easy to put on. I did have to snip a little bit to measure to my eye and my eye shape. But yeah, this highlighter is not bad. Alright, and on to the lip. Let's see, what did I do with this? Okay. So this lip is a lippie stick by Colourpop. I've never tried any of their lippie sticks, believe it or not. This one's in the shade Cami, and it's a matte shade. And I swatched this in the store, and I was like, girl, this is bomb. This is like an everyday color right here. But it looks like this. It's definitely up my alley. I wear colors like this all the time. So that is what this is. Oh, they're super creamy. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. So far, I really am enjoying the combination of everything. I really am excited to see how this Juvia's Place concealer really wears throughout the day. So I'm definitely going to keep you guys posted in the comment section, as I normally would when it comes to products and me trying it for a longer period of time, because I'm not wearing this for the whole day as it is late that I'm filming this video. But I so far like how it's working really well with my Airspun loose face powder and the Maybelline foundation that I used today as well. So you guys let me know if you tried these products before, but this is the finished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.